Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find Lesser Flamingo and Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. So Lesser Flamingo is one of the birds in Heartopia, and I'm going to show you where you can capture or where you can scan the bird. Yeah, let me show you guys my bird watching diary. Okay, and this is the Lesser Flamingo. I don't think I can different between the Greater Flamingo and also the Lesser Flamingo, but the lesser one has red feet. So yeah, just go to this area if you want to meet this bird. You're going to go to the forest lake shore. Let me show you. Sorry, I forgot to show you this one. Forest lake shore. So just explore this area and then you're going to capture it. Okay, this is the Greater Flamingo. It's not the lesser one. I think it's a rare, guys, so you need to wait for it. Okay guys, and that's where you can find the Lesser Flamingo and Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.